Hey everyone, I'm Elisha, camp coordinator here at the REC of Grapevine, and I'm here today with
Judah, Noah, Niah.
And this is Feel Good Friday. Today, we're going to play one of the mini games that we play at the REC camp.
To play this game, campers will first race to complete a word scramble. The first person done with their scramble will run down to the squares at the end of the court and move the ball over one square closer to their pre-designated side. The second person to complete their scramble will move the ball one square back towards their side. The campers will continue racing to complete word scrambles one at a time and moving the ball afterwards until someone moves the ball completely out of the squares and is declared the winner. This game can also be played by picking a number 1 through 6, rolling dice, and moving the ball once you land on the designated number. This is a great way to keep your child's mind and body active this summer. For a full list of our summer camps, visit gograpevine.com/camps. See you next week for Feel Good Friday.
We love the REC camp! Woo!